Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change your search engine in Safari. Here's how to do it. Go to your settings and you have to look for search. You're going to see where it says search engine. Click on it. You have Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo and Ecosia. That's the only option you have. If you change to DuckDuckGo and go back to Safari, from now on, anything you search, it will use DuckDuckGo instead of Google and the one you're using before. So that's how you change your search engine on Safari. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.